How to post Factor Meals Delivery. Step 1. Open your browser and go to factor75.com. Click Sign In and enter your email and password. Once logged in, you'll land on Upcoming Deliveries dashboard. Step 2. Scroll the Upcoming Deliveries section. Click on the week you want to pause. Then, hit Skip Week. You'll see a message confirming that delivery is paused for that week. You can repeat this for multiple weeks ahead. Step 3. Open the Factor app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the menu icon, go to My Plan, choose your upcoming delivery, hit Skip, and it will confirm the change. Step 4. If you want to unpause, go back to the same week and click Skip or resume delivery. Make sure to do this before the weekly cutoff or you'll miss the chance to reactivate. And that's it.